Welcome back to my channel. So I recently get paid $130 from Bluehost. So I'm going to click on the transaction. So this is transaction. Click transaction from New Digital Info. So this payment I actually got it yesterday from Bluehost, trying to make money with Bluehost. So I'm going to refresh this screen to see that this money are much intact, and as you can see, it's still $130. Although $130 is just small money to some, but I feel if you can implement the method that I'm going to share in this video, you are going to make more than $130. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you are just seeing my channel for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe and also like this video to make it more go viral on YouTube. So without wasting all your time, let me show you exactly how you can make money with Bluehost. So if you want to know more about Bluehost is just a hosting company. It's one of the best in the market right now. They have different plans. You can host your website. They have shared hosting, dedicated hosting, VPS, and if you want to use WordPress to build your website or a landing page, so Bluehost is much recommended for everybody. And everybody that is just starting a website, so one of the hosting platform we do recommend for them is to use Bluehost. So right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with Bluehost as a website builder or as a affiliate marketer. So you have to follow up so that you'll be able to know exactly how you can make money as a complete beginner. So guys, my number one recommended way of making money with Bluehost is actually to start a blog. Blog is one of the profitable business. You can start blogging. Actually, you can build a website, simple website like this, that can be writing content about anything you are also passionate about. You can start about how to start blogging, how to make money online, different content you can actually rank on Google. So, and there are a lot of advantage, because if you can start a blog right now, you can have chances of getting approved by Google AdSense and start making more money with Google AdSense. You can also do affiliate marketing and other things. So for you to get started with blogging, you have to ensure you get your hosting plan from Bluehost. So right now, Bluehost is actually offering Black Friday, and they are offering you 70% discount, 75% discount right now. So you can try much as possible to get your hosting plan from Bluehost right now, because you are going to get it at a rate of $2.95 per month now if you get it, because Black Friday is on. So I'm going to drop the link to this particular Black Friday link inside the description, so ensure to use this link to be able to get access to it. So the number two method I use to make money on Bluehost is actually to join the affiliate link. So we are going to scroll down a little bit. So we are going to scroll down. So as you can see, you have to scroll down to join the affiliate link. So if you join the affiliate link, they are going to pay you at least $55 per each person you refer. So you get paid $65 per qualified sign up, and our affiliate team will happily to help you with guidance you need. So you have to join. So you have to click on join the affiliate link. So it's going to redirect you to the affiliate page. So over here, you are going to fill in your details. If you haven't joined before, you are going to fill in your details, every information to be able to join the affiliate link. So already I have joined the affiliate link. So this is the dashboard. I'm using Impact Radius. So I'm using Impact Radius to join the affiliate link. So I've already joined the affiliate link, so I can be able to promote Bluehost to make money from Bluehost. So, and one of the major challenges we affiliate marketer face is how we are going to get traffic. So I have a lot of ways I do promote Bluehost to make this commission I've showed you. One of the major way I personally use to promote Bluehost to make the commission I've showed you in the video is actually, I have a blog that I write content about Bluehost, probably how to start a blogging in 2022, how to start e-commerce website. So I purposely write this content so that I'll be able to recommend Bluehost inside the content. So it's one of the how to content. I write it a lot, and also I write Bluehost review and the rest. So this is one of the best way to actually promote Bluehost, because most of the people that actually need this Bluehost, they are much like someone that want to start a business, or they want to build a website. So if you can write a content that show them how they can actually build a website, there's high chances that they are going to use your affiliate link to get Bluehost. So this is one of my major recommendation on how you can promote Bluehost. So the second method I also use is also to try to promote Bluehost on YouTube. So right now, let's try to type in Bluehost on YouTube. Bluehost. So as you can see, we have a lot of keyword we can actually make video about. We have Bluehost review, Bluehost affiliate program, Bluehost WordPress tutorial, Bluehost affiliate, Bluehost versus Hostinger. So we can actually make a video about all these particular keywords So we can actually make video, for example, Bluehost coupon code. So we are actually targeting someone that actually have their card on ad and they want to buy instantly with this kind of keywords. So YouTube is one of the best way to actually get commission quick. So, and it doesn't really require you to have a lot of audience before you can actually get yourself rank on YouTube. So we can actually make this kind of videos. You just record your screen and to be able to show how you can actually make money with Bluehost, or how you can make create a website with Bluehost and be able to make commission. So for you to do that, we have to go back to Impact Radius, then find Bluehost over here. So I think I have to find Bluehost. So Bluehost. So okay, this is Bluehost. Then I have to copy my affiliate link over here. Copy. Then if peradventure I've made a video about Bluehost or how I can create a WordPress website with Bluehost, then I'm now going to link my affiliate link inside one of the video. So let me click on this particular one to show you what they are doing to make profit off of Bluehost. So I think, let me show you. So as you can see, so inside the description, they are also recommending you get Bluehost discount with this particular link. If you should click on this link, it's going to redirect us to the official page of Bluehost. And if they should click on it and buy Bluehost instantly, they are going to make $65 per each conversion. So this is one of the best strategy you can actually use as a complete beginner that doesn't know how to start affiliate marketing. It doesn't take anything from you. And lastly, if you are the kind of person that are very shy to record a video, or you don't like your voice, so because it's take time for us to be able to get better on recording a video, so I will recommend that you start this particular method. You can create a free content, like you can create a account on Medium. So Medium is one of the best websites. They have a lot of domain authority. So if you can publish your content on Medium, there's high chances that you are going to rank faster compare like starting a website from scratch, because your website doesn't have any record. But if you can create a content, you publish the content on medium.com, there's high chances that this content is going to rank faster and you start making commission without paying. You're not paying for hosting, you're not paying for domain name. So, and it's one of the best strategy, because as a complete beginner, we don't have money to actually get all these facilities like the hosting platform and the domain name. So I hope you find great value in this content I've produced today, because it takes me some time to be able to come up with these content ideas. I will encourage you to always subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to get more latest update from me. Thanks. I will see you in my next video. Bye.